Additive 3D printing is that group of technologies that creates products through the steady addition of materials layer by layer, rather than through machining or other conventional types of processing. Traditional manufacturing is expensive, slow to market, and often wasteful of materials. Manufactured products are often prohibitively heavy, which increases the cost of transport and can present inherent safety hazards during manufacture. Such products can also be complex to assemble and often require maintenance that increases downtime and costs. Subtractive manufacturing, the age-old process of cutting away material to create an object, is by its nature wasteful because the expensive cutaway material cannot be used. The often excessive weight of finished products is frequently caused by the use of solid metals, alloys, and other heavy materials in their construction. Wear during use necessitates replacement of worn-out parts, and the necessity of designing, constructing, and modifying physical prototypes for testing and analysis of products is also expensive and slows time to market. Additive 3D printing has numerous advantages over subtractive forms of processing. It is ideal for prototype manufacture, and it can create complex parts which conventional machining cannot. It vastly reduces waste by using only those materials needed for construction during the process. The weight of products can be reduced or even cut in half by using plastics, polymers, nylon, wax, and other light materials. This also reduces mass and often increases product strength. By manner of creating a single-piece fusion of many components, additive 3D printing can also reduce the need for spare parts while greatly simplifying assembly. Our technological landscape is changing. Advanced Manufacturing Technology, AMT, is an industrial evolution that will help companies prioritize long-term business goals over low-risk short-term returns and succeed in today's smart manufacturing environment. Reach out to Mantec for expert knowledge of AMT and assistance with technology implementation.